Hi guys, this is Nick for Real Think Creative, and with this tutorial I'm going to explain to you how to place text, videos and images on this template. The first time you open the file, this is what you see, and on the side here in the project window we have some folders. Um, let's start with the folder 01 Edit Comps. Inside this folder we find three other ones, one with the name Controls, Images and Text, and it's easy to understand that we start by working with this folder. So expand this and we have inside two kind of compositions: image compositions and strip image compositions. As you saw in the preview, this template is made with placeholders for some main images that appears big uh, in the center of the template of the screen, and on the side, up, down, left or right, we have some film strip that they contain also some material inside that can be video or photos. So the image placeholders is for the main photos, and the strip image is for the photos that we have to place on the film strip of the template. Okay, import now your images, your footage, whatever. I already place some stuff inside to use them like an example, and double click the image 1 composition. It opens on the timeline, so drag and drop your first photo, the one that appears first. Everything is in order of appearance, so scale up or down the photo in order to cover all the size of the window, and then continue with image 2. Okay, the same thing, drag and drop. And go on with image 3 and continue like that till you place all the photos in all the image placeholders. You can use also video instead of photo, it's up to you. Now let's proceed with the strip image 01. The same thing, open it and drag and drop inside your video. In my case, I'm using some video that I found in the internet that is free for use, and go on with strip image 2, drag and drop, scale up to cover all the project window. Strip 3, remember that is in order of appearance also the strip images. Okay, you have to continue like that till strip image 09. So basically this is how we place text and images. Actually now you are ready to go. Okay, everything is here, and let's go for the text. How to change the text? Just expand the text folder here. We have intro text 01, intro text 02, and then text 1 till text 14, and one comp for your logo. That means that the first two text here that appears without nothing behind is the intro text 1 and 2. So double click the comp, double click the existing text, or delete the existing text and type yours. At this point, if you want, you can change also the font and type something of yours. Okay, now if you go back in the final comp, you can see that the text changed. Do the same for intro text 2, and then text 1 is the one that appears with the first photo. Let's change it just to see what is going on. Okay, now if you go back in the final comp, you can see that we have the text change here, and it works like that. If you continue, is in order of appearance. That means that text 1 appears in the photo 1, text 2 in the photo 2, text 3 in the photo 3, and it goes like that till text 14. So go on making the same procedure till you change everything till text 14. And the last one is your logo here. I have already some text inside because maybe instead of a logo you would like to have some text. So in case that you have your logo, just drag and drop your logo inside and you've done. And basically this is how we change text and images and videos. Okay, how to use the control panel. Just come on the control panel comp and choose this adjustment layer with the name control panel. And up here at the effect control window, you can see that we can change some stuff like text, the general color of the color gradients, let's say, and the color of the flares. Just playing with those stuff here, we can change totally the mood and the color and the look of the whole template. As an example, let me start with the text color and let's make something else. Let's make them orange, and you can see that it changed in orange. And let's change now the flares color, that is blue like that. Let's make it orange, and you can see that now we have totally a different look, different color here. Okay, there you go. If this become blue, we change it totally again. And the other thing that we can change is the color of the photo that now is based. Okay, look what we can do here. Now we have image color intensity. That means that we have the 83% of the original color of the photo on the screen. That can be also 100%. So this is the more or less the original color of the photo. But if I take it on 0, the intensity, we have a black and white photo. And if we don't want to have this black and white photo, we can change the color gradient of the photo in another color. Now it's gray, that's why it's black and white almost. But we can make it blue, and you can see that we have totally a different result here. You can see that. And playing with the image color intensity, we decide how much of this color is gonna affect the photo. At this point, this color affects the photo 100%, but this can be 50%. So now we have 56% of the original color, and the rest is based and is affected from this color. We can also change in something else, something warm, so you can see how creative we can be with this template actually. And I don't know, let's make this red just. Okay, exaggerated, but you have the idea here how things work. Okay, and basically you can experiment with this and have a different result. Let's go a little bit deeper now, and I'm gonna talk about how to edit in a different way the template, or how to expand the timing of this, let's say, of each scene. So choose the final comp and double click the edit comp, or here in the others folder. If you expand this, you can see that we have inside this folder with the name edit comp. So here inside we have the edit comp, and actually this is where all this composition is built. You can see here that we have a lot of things going on, but most of you, I think that you're enough experienced to understand what is going on. And basically we have each scene like a comp, intro text comp 1, 2, and it goes like that. All the scenes one after the other, and they are separated also in colors, because here we have, in this brownish color, we have the scenes. The red one, they are the transition, this flare transition here, and the yellow ones are the film strip. Okay, so basically, let's say that you wanna keep this scene for a few seconds more. What you have to do is you have to place your cursor exactly till the point you want to expand this. You expand it, grab all the other stuff above, okay, and move them on the side, and basically this is how it works. Now we have some more seconds, and you can do the same with all of this. You can expand them, you can build them exactly as you like. You can use this like a transition. As you can see, where the marker is the point of, you know, to connect the two scenes, okay, and you can play with this and build it in a totally different way. It's up to you and your creativity. And I think more or less we cover everything. I'm sure that um, the people that they know to work well with this software, they can do much more, but basically this is how you customize this template. So feel free to contact me in case that you don't understand my English. I'm gonna be there to help in any case. So thanks again, and enjoy your template.